Now I've just come up onto this roof to do a roof survey. It's a roof condition survey for someone purchasing this particular property, and I've got someone with me which is working with me today, and if I can get you, Jason, just to walk on this roof for me, and let's just have a look. So we've got a glass fibre roof, and we can see the kind of thing that's going on here with this. And you can see now, obviously in that area there, that's dropped down. So why is this like this? Well, at the moment we haven't got permission to look inside the roof, but it's pretty obvious to me that the glass fibre that's been laid down has come away from the top of the plywood OSB that it's been put on top of. Is there insulation underneath this? I don't know. Okay, I can't. I'd need to cut some core samples into this to find out. But realistically, I'm not happy with this roof, and I'd have to report it as being a problem and further investigations. But I've looked downstairs. I've looked at the skylight there. If you look at that particular skylight over there, you can see the height of that. I've taken measurements down below, and this roof is not thick enough to be a warm roof, so it's definitely been constructed as a cold roof, but I don't know where the insulation is. There's certainly no ventilation on it. None of these flashings, when we look around here, come to particularly the right height whatsoever. So lots of things to report back. We can look at this particular wall over here. We've got problems going on with the way that's finished off. We've got a chimney stack there on the front, which is a problem. So we come over here. I've got to be able to look at the whole thing. I just can't see any venting or anything on any of this roof. So again, I'm going, this is a cold roof that is not vented properly. Where the insulation is probably between the joists, because there's not enough height in the build-up to be anything else. An unvented cold roof. So overall, it's not looking particularly good, and I certainly won't be going back and giving this a very good report. Hopefully that's informative to anybody. If you need any more information, please get back to me.